Hey y'all, thought I'd take this opportunity to show you how I do power cables. So here we are, we're building out this crossbow, and you can see I've got the motors on. And my next step was yesterday I put some conformal coating on the all-in-one board. Conformal coating is basically just some silicone, or you can even use like epoxy if you want to. Whenever you hear about electronics that they're completely sealed and waterproof, they usually use a type of epoxy. And the other thing it helps with is thermal transmission. So these ESCs are taking the lithium battery power, and that's what these little chips are here. These are the electronic speed controllers. And so they're called MOSFETs, and they're like little tiny switches that all they do is quickly switch the power on and off, going to the 3 wires that go to the motors. So these motors are 3-phase motors using something called PWM, pulse width modulation, and that's so that they can be very tightly controlled as to their speed. And so you're able to basically change the voltage going to them extremely fast. And what does that is the flight controller, and that's what this chip is here. This is a STM32 chip called the F722, and it's got the brains, it's got the logic of how and when to turn these PWM signals on and off to speed up or slow down the motors individually, so that it spins the propellers to keep the gyroscope that's on here so that it stays either level or tilts or twists, whatever it's trying to do. It is the code that's running that tells those ESC chips what to do. And there's 4 banks of them, one bank for each motor. So that's what I did yesterday. And then today, next step is to put a power cable on here, and this is called the XT30, and that's what I'm working on now. And you can see that I just get the wire, and then I strip back enough copper that it goes into that little barrel connector, and then I put some of this on it, solder paste, and then I solder it. So that's it.